Well, I'm a staring at my hot rod, blaring in the backyard sun. It looks like she cooks, but the work is never quite done. I've been a saving and a wrenching, but I'm not sure I want it to run. With the car in park, we can have so much more fun. Oh, baby, I like the feel and a hole in the wheel, and knowing soon a piston I'll be pushing the steel. She don't need dinner or a driving movie show. I got my hot rod whirring, it's a go, go, go. I got the fastest car you've ever seen. She don't even need motor oil or gasoline. Kisses like hers are burning up my street. See the light turn green every time we chance to meet. Oh, baby, I don't see the point in all the fancy cars. I'd rather go riding in a field under the stars. She don't need dinner or a driving movie show. I got my hot rod whirring, it's go, go, go. My hot rod, oh, she's my hot rod. I've been out all night, working by the light of the moon. I don't anticipate the work will be ending soon. But you may never see me dragging down on Main. My car is always parked on Lover's Lane. Oh, I saw my baby walking, had to pick her up late. She may be in straight six, firing on eight. But she don't need dinner or a driving movie show. I got my hot rod whirring, it's a go, go, go. My hot rod, oh, she's my hot rod. Franks a lot. Frank, you very much. Where is Frank anyway? Where did we leave that guy? Probably somewhere in Cleveland.